Okay, good morning. It is 4 minutes till 7 a.m. Pacific time. It's the 26th of February, 2020. Welcome to my trading journal. This is the Jigsaw day trader platform. These are all futures products from left to right. It's the Ultra Bond here. This is the 30-year. This is the 5-year T-Note. This is the 10-year T-Note. And all the way over here on the right is the E-mini S&P. In a ideal market, these products go up when this product sells off, and vice versa. You can kind of see that right now. We had an impulse move down in the ES, and these products started to bid up. This is all trading on order flow. Has nothing to do with, there's no charts, no indicators, nothing like that. It's just watching the price action and responding accordingly. This is another attempt of them trying to push through 56 here in the ES. This is kind of where it's been holding pretty much all morning. Let's see if we push through that. We could probably go quite a bit lower, but it looks like buyers are going to hold it. Maybe not. So let's, I have not looked at the calendar yet today, so let's do that together. Just go ahead and pull that up. We have new home sales in 2 minutes. So that's a bit of a mover. We had mortgage applications this morning. It's not really a mover, but I'll take a look at it just 'cause. If it'll come up. The prior was, it's a pretty volatile piece of data, but the prior was negative 6.4 and this was actually 1.5. Most of those are refi, not so much, but the purchase loans was up from negative 3% up all the way up to 6%. So I don't know if that's a weekly number or a is it a weekly number or is it a monthly number? I think it's probably a weekly number. So anyway, we got home sales coming out in 1 minute. Let's see if that has any impact on the market. Looks like we did get a bit of a bounce there. Just kind of broke through that previous support. Talking about the ES, that is. Yeah, so we got 7 o'clock. No other items on the calendar from what I can see, at least not movers. We have the EA petroleum status report, but that doesn't really impact us so much. We have the 5-year note auction, which will impact us, and that is at 10 a.m. So 3 hours from now, 10 a.m. my time. But that's all for the calendar. So we did. Looks like we got a little bit of a reaction, or continuing to get a reaction out of that piece of data. Let's see if we can get. See if we can get a number for us here. Yeah, the new home sales was up about 60,000 over the last, the prior number, which was revised up, and it beat consensus by like 50,000. So it's good news. It's bullish. So we have, let's see, overnight low down there, all the way down there, overnight high Those would be the obvious areas of interest. If we start to build out a shelf somewhere in one of these products, that might also be an indication to pull the trigger. It looks to me like we're getting some pretty thin DOM again. You can see there's only about 1900, 2000 at the highest over here on both sides. That's going to make for a very volatile environment. So just be nimble, maybe drop your lot size down a little bit. At least that's what I'm going to do. Cut it down and then just be quick to get in and out. It's kind of how you have to trade this environment if you're going to trade it. That's what we're looking at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and clear this out again so you can kind of see what's going on. But as of right now, everything's kind of trading, or at least these two products are basically trading at the point of control, so you can expect a lot of back and forth, I would imagine. It looks like bonds are kind of bidding up, which they're expecting more weakness, continued weakness in the equities. And I'll tell you what, if we have another down day, the S&P is up almost 30 points right now. Oh, 20 points, I should say. But if we ended up closing in the red, that's not good. That is not good at all. Need some sort of a bounce here in the equities to get. We need a green day. It's just going to perpetuate this fearful environment we're in right now, and that's not good. So need the bulls to step up. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and pause this, and I'll be back if something comes up. So I'm kind of looking for the ES to drop in right here. We've kind of found buyers at this level. Let's see if it will hold one more time. Nope, it's blowing right through it. Might be better to be on the sell side of this thing at this point. This looks like it's selling down pretty aggressively. See if we can kind of follow this down and just, whoa. Just pulling risk off as soon as we can. Come on, get going. Only got 2 left. All right, I think we got stopped on that last one. Looking for that thing to push through a little bit lower. But it's still a pretty volatile market right now. It's 708. I mean, normally it would calm down by now, but I think given the circumstances and the context, it's still going to be pretty volatile for a while, maybe for the next hour or so. Some fairly enthusiastic buyers today. Let's see if we can kind of get a breakout. Just such a fast market. Come on, get that sucker. Down to a 2 lot at this point. So we'll let that sucker ride a little bit. Unless it tries to fall back in, and I'll just take it off, cover it before it gets back to my entry. Don't want to get too close, but just, oh, that's all right. Whew. Look at just some big fucking prints right there. Buyers are getting this thing higher, but they're definitely paying for it. Yeah, I think got to be able to take a little heat here. I was in at 66 half. That would have hit my middle target at least. It's all right. It's all about staying green. Trying to take risk off as soon as you put it on. Looks like all that size that they soaked up right there was enough to push this thing back down. Be interesting to see if we get back down to 3150 level. Bonds are definitely bidding this thing up like it's gonna, like the world is crashing again. They're not buying this rallying up to the back up to the highs. Anyway, I'm gonna get some coffee and other stuff, but I'll be back. Just trying to take advantage of some of this momentum going up. Hopefully it doesn't stall right here. Come on, get up there. Son of a bitch. Not great, but something. I think it was plowing up higher, and then all of a sudden it just stopped. Which I guess sort of makes sense because that's IB high. It's previous high. I guess we had sellers there previously, but probably going to keep going higher. I just couldn't really sit in that trade too much longer. So really surprised to see that drop in like so far earlier. It's about 8:30. We're getting close to European close. I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but I'm going to go ahead and pause this thing and change my clothes. So 848, pretty steep drop back down into 64 level, the VWAP. Prices appear to be holding for a little while, but now it looks like they're just starting to push right back through again. Again, bonds, treasuries are not even phased by any of this. We're still way above the point of control. Only option there is to sell those things, and that it's not really happening. Maybe if the 30 gets up to 28. Yeah, I don't know. If we continue to print here at 10, or 01, excuse me. Expecting this to get bought back up, but it's a matter of when. Gotta see that like sustained push like you're seeing on the sell side right now. If we glance at a chart, where would be support would be right around 3150. It's got about 10 more handles to go. That was during the overnight session. So here's your overnight high. That's at 58. Let's see if that acts as some sort of support. Starting to get a little bit of a bounce. Let's see, bonds and treasuries is still just bidding up. They don't give two shits that equities are up today. Looks like it might be holding. Woo. Holding again. It's a pretty obvious support level. Just blowing right through that. Wow. Wow. Now I want to sell it. Now you're going to get the bounce. Come on, keep selling it. Just give us a little while longer. I don't mind scratching this thing. There we go. There's that little burst I was looking for. Keep going. Keep going. Come on. Get down there. Damn it. Missed it by one tick. Not much, some. But a positive trade. Getting close to 9 a.m. push back higher. Damn. Maybe I was wrong. Let's see, where are we here? Got a little distracted there and I took my eye off of what was going on. I'm not so sure about this trade anymore. I was pretty confident in all the rest of them prior, but I might just take a little loss on this guy. Shit. Before it gets too ugly. That sucked. Of course, it's going to go right through my entry. Could have scratched it right there. And where did I take that out? 54.5, right around here. Whoa. Holy shit. Whoa. Oh no. Fuck, I had the wrong setting. That sucked. God damn it. Come on, push down. Another sweep. This is dangerous right here. Damn. Still think they're going to push this down. Let's see, when you get those big sweeps like that, you can definitely tell which way. Definitely got the wrong setting on that one. That sucked, that previous trade. That was... Looks like this is going to turn around. Come on, push it. Getting down the low of the day, definitely expect a bounce there. So tighten up that old stop loss. That takes care of that big loss that I had earlier. Basically breaks me even on that. And that fucking mistake trade that I just took. Ugh. Uh, 9 o'clock, I'm probably going to I'll pause everything, but more than likely I'm pretty much done. I got a couple errands to run. I'll probably hit the gym, but I don't know, I'll pause it just in case. It's been a pretty wild day. It might continue to be pretty wild.